Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make orange dye. Now, you will need to make sure that you are in the correct biome. There are many different types of forest biomes. Please look out by pressing the F3 button, looking on the middle left section and finding out the biome. To find whatever you need to look for flower. Forest biome. Once you are in this region, please look for orange tulips. There are 4 main types of tulips. Orange is the one that you need and only ingredient for this recipe. Break the block underneath it, collect your dye, your tulip, I apologize. Now make yourself a crafting table and place it. Now take your orange tulip and place it anywhere on the crafting table. This will create your own and only orange dye. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.